Rolling, rolling, rolling. Into some freight train. Yo! Stay high right here. Woo! It's a spot where people always stand in the damn way. Woo! Drop-in clinic. Here comes your dad, watch. Here he comes. Watch, here comes Ron. It's his favorite jump. Yeah. Container?
Sure.
Sure, whatever.
Dev?
Sure.
She's like, sure. Just like old times. Woo! Not sure about this line this year. Oh, it's still there. Woo! Oh. Woo. That was good. Huh? Yeah, and then, you know, we transfer across the rock, right? Oh, nothing like some jumps to get your heart going, and I think that's what I need for bike park, is to hit some jumps. Woo! Gonna have to be an A-line after this. Then to the right, Dev, remember? Yeah, Jonah. Nice. Woo! Yeah, Dave. That line's so good, eh? I'm so glad they fixed it, though. We're into Renegade. Just gonna go easy. Ooh, look at the tire tracks. Woo! Right is worse. Right is worse.
Outside's way worse.
Woohoo! Oh, bad line choice. Woo! What about the end one, Dev? How's this one?
Oh, that's good.
Did you do it this year?
Yeah. That one's pretty fun.
It's here, right?
No, it's like right down here.
Oh man, my finger hurts. Jonah didn't do that.
Yeah.
Did Jonah do it, or
Oh,
he's...
yeah, no problem.
Yeah, nice.
As long as you creep up to it slow enough, it's
Yeah.
easy.
Oh. That was good, close, eh, Ron? There's a mask. They're everywhere. Woo! Oh shit! Did you ride it this year, Dev? Pardon? It's still the same?
Kinda. You have to go far left of it.
What do you mean you gotta go? How's the ditch? All right. Oh. Oh, yeah. Good, dude.
Go slow.
Yeah.
Go slow.
It's got a little compression, not much though. Yeah. Nice. You got it, Jonah.
Slow, slow,
Slow, slow, slow, slow, slow, slow, slow. Here we go. Yeah.
Nice job, buddy.
Here's what I learned from Andrew.
Bit of compression at the end, though, yeah?
Yeah.